This is the video of the ceiling fan. Unknown, I don't know. But it has pretzel brackets on it, and that's a pretty dumb fixture. I got this at the Habitat for about $20. This was in 2012. Get down here. Yeah, it's pretzel brackets. It looks like a classic, I don't know. But it's a really cool ceiling fan. Real nice one. There's the light. Here it is. Here's on low. Sorry about my hand. It's a nice one. Here's medium. I should so I'm gonna stop it. And I will stop it and end it. So here it is, the pretzel brackets. I like these kind of type of brackets. They look awesome, like on the Hubby's Classics of Bailey series. And here's the light inside. Here it is. Here's the other light. See? There's no light in that one, so I'm gonna have to rub off or something in there. I don't know. We'll see. Couple chains. And this. It's really cool. This is kind of broken, so it's really just I have to put some tape on it and it should stick well. This one is what it looks like. These leaves. And I'm gonna go ahead and just high. I don't usually start with high. Medium, low, off, on. There we go. It's a real nice fan. It's cool. It's a really nice fan, but I should slow down if you want. I like these fans. I got it at the Habitat for like $20. It was like in 2012, like 4 years. It's been out for like 4 years. This fan's been in here for like 4 years now, so it's a really cool fan. Really nice fan. Oh, you have to. Here's the thing that goes around this ring. That's what the blades on. See? Alright. There we go. That is the unknown ceiling fan. I have no clue what name it is. I don't know what the brand. That's it.